Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce Max Havelaar, a Dutch novel by Multatuli. This is the way we say Max Havelaar. Max Havelaar. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable of the second word. Max Havelaar. Max Havelaar. Max Havelaar. Max Havelaar. I hope this video was helpful. You can support us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We also have memberships available with perks such as requesting words and sentences. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!